Hello, I'm Shane, and this is Group 9. And this video is to explain to you how to use the web application. So it's kind of straightforward to. So I just want to make sure everybody can use it. So now let's say you're in Visual Studio Code, and then you want to open up the terminal. And you want to split the terminal. Okay, so now you want to open up the front end first. You go to the front end. You CD to the Western. This is the app name. And then you do npm run start because this is a React app. So now it's gonna pop up in another screen. And I'm trying to make it so that it's. So now it pops up here. You should see this kind of homepage. And then now let's start the server side. You CD to backend first, then CD to the Flag server. So you can see the file structure here, right? And these are the MySQL scripts. Wait, it's not updated. Select from. Alright, never mind. Here we go. It's so now this is the full MySQL script. And we are using a remote database. So you want to connect it later. Now let's do Python server.py. So now it should be starting a server. If not, you need to do if it's not working, then you need to make sure you are installing all of the packages. You do pip install -r requirements.txt, I think. Yeah, they should all be there. If not, please contact me. And then for this front end, you also need to do npm install, and that's it. Npm install is going to install all the packages in the package.json, so you should be fine. And then, okay, so now everything's set up. Now I'm going to show you what we did. So this is the front page. Yeah, and then you have two options right now. I mean, we talked about we want to implement the authentication system, but if I want to integrate the authentication system here, I want to set up the user profile page. To set up the user profile page, I need posts to display some personal posts, right? But we do have authentication system, but you don't see that on the surface. You can do this, log in. Then you can log in as whatever you want, right? But for my Google Cloud Console, it's in testing stage. Only people in the whitelist, in the testing list, can use the authentication system. So now you can see. Yeah, this is the token you got, and then I'm gonna decode it into JSON file, and use the JSON file to upload it to the backend. And also for the backend, it's actually here, and you can see these are the secrets. I'm putting in here just in case you don't have. So that it's more convenient for you to get into the database, right? But of course, in the production, if in the industry level, this should be hidden, right? And then yeah, but yeah, just for grading purposes, it's there. So yeah, so you can access the public database. So now let's look at the function view posts. You can view all the posts that the user have posted. Now everybody can post posts because we don't have the login function for everyone yet. We need to wait for the Google to verify it. It takes some time. It takes like a few weeks to do it, to verify the application. And now I also need to deploy the app. So, but for now, the post cannot be clicked. And we also have a function where you can search. So I want to search test, and I want to search like America. Now you have eating burgers, and location is America. We're eating at Solvi. Right, this image is some random image, and then this is a Great Wall. Search China. Okay, this is China, right? And now I want to return to the home page. Click on the home, and now in the home page. So now I want to, and there's also create post button. Create post button for you to create posts, and you can also click here to get into the create post interface. So it's easier to see what's going on by using F12. So I say let's create a random title, sitting on toilet, and then let's say Uganda, and then I am having a hard time doing this, and choose a random, let's say Uganda. Wait, so I'm also trying to use map API to get those real-time data, right? But I feel like it's not necessary because we are all in America, so it's image, let's just say PNG. So far I don't think it supports other types. It's deliverable one, so now you just click submit, and now click OK. Bam! Look at this, it's right there. Then another function we try to implement is ChatGPT API. So if I click AI recommendation, it should have a ChatGPT response, but seems not. There's some error to it, so this is still under construction. But that's pretty much it, yeah. And then there's still something else to improve. For example, I can integrate authentication, make it more dynamic, and page there can be more functions to it. Yeah.